Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to delete bookmarks in Mozilla Firefox so you can remove unwanted favorites and keep your browser organized. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where bookmark and browser options are available. Step 2. Click Bookmarks from the menu. Then select Manage Bookmarks. This opens the library window where all your saved bookmarks are stored. Step 3. In the library window, choose the bookmark folder you want to clear, such as Bookmarks Toolbar or other bookmarks. This helps you target the exact bookmarks you want to remove. Step 4. Select the bookmarks you want to delete all bookmarks by pressing the Ctrl+A key in that folder. This allows you to clear multiple bookmarks at once. Step 5. Right-click on the selected bookmarks and click Delete Bookmarks. The selected bookmarks will be removed immediately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.